abrimos a las 9 y cerramos a las 7 de la tarde.
¿Todos los días?
Sí. Los domingos de 9 a 4.
Ok. ¿En qué es la calle, la direccional aquí? Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Michael with Love and Freedom. Hey, today I'm over here in San Luis Rio Colorado, Sonora, Mexico, and I've been asked numerous of times about certain types of candy party for piñatas and stuff, and I've been telling people there's numerous of big candy stores over here in San Luis, and this is just one of the candy stores I'm going to show you guys. I don't really eat candy, but I'm doing this video so those who come will know, instead of saying those who go would know. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you guys this candy store over here in San Luis Rio Colorado, Sonora, Mexico. So come on, let's go see what all of the hype is about and all this juicy candy they have in here. Let's go. Vaquero, el vaquero. Buenas tardes, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Con permiso. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. All right, see here, guys, these are in a variety pack of all different types of candy, and the grandkids love these right here. They love these right here. Ain't nothing but a bunch of sugar in the hand. Basically, that's all they eat. And my mother-in-law used to love these, and my wife, right now to this day, she loves these. As you can see, they have all kind of variety, different types of candy, party banners, anything that you could possibly want. Piñatas, a lot of piñatas for your birthday parties. I was told they special make them as well. If you're looking for a special piñata, they have them here. They have all different types of peanuts, marshmallows, all different types of candy that you can think of. There's another one of my wife's favorite right there, the coconut candy is another one of her favorite. Growing up in Mississippi, we used to call these Boston baked beans. This is like Boston baked beans, and these are the Japanese peanuts. They call them the Japanese peanuts, but they have the hard shell on them. So they have just about anything that you can think of in this store, from piñatas to candy to banners, you name it. They have just about anything. If you're looking for any specific thing for your party, so you come over here, you check them out, you can get just about anything you could possibly be looking for. So let's continue to walk around and check out all this diabetes in a bag in here. Let's go. But yeah, it's been numerous of people asking me about, they got a lot of spicy candy. Some of this candy I've eaten before, years ago. A lot of gummies. My son, if he came in here, probably eat this whole store with all these gummies. It's been many years since I actually had candy like this. Eating candy, I really don't have the desire to eat candy. Now, growing up, this was one of my favorites too. These caramels. I know a lot of you guys probably haven't saw these caramels in a long time. A lot of this candy been around for years, and Mexico still, oh wow, like this right here, guys. I'm like literally, like they said, look at those cherries right there. I'm literally like a kid in the candy store. You know how they say you'd like a big kid in the candy store? I'm literally a kid in the candy store. I know this is not one of the a blog I typically do, but I just had to do it because I've been asked numerous of times about the candy stores, and the grandkids love candy every opportunity they get when they come over here to visit Mexico. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me and show you some of the treats, some of the diabetes that they have over here in the bag. All right. Lots. These like, no, those are hard candy. If you guys see any candy that you remember growing up, drop it in the comment section below. Any candy on here that you see that you grew up with, drop it in the comment section. If it's any candy that remind you of your childhood growing up, drop it in the comment section below. Like we had the bubblegum machine like this. My mom used to have the bubblegum machine. These right here to fill up your bubblegum machines. And it is just about anything anything that you can think of here in this candy store. I mean, they have a large variety of candy along with the piñatas. Walls and walls of candy, bags. Like if you're gonna bag up the candy for the kids' party, or if you even open up a store. Say for instance you open up a store and you want to sell from home. They sell them by the cases, large quantities, not like going to Sam's Club or Walmart or something like that. Just to give you an example of what the price is. The Tostitos right here, these are some of the famous ones over here in Mexico, where they put the corn in it, elote, with the butter and everything, and spices and chili. This is great for elote. The Tostitos, the tostados, which is Tostitos, tostados, however you want to say it. So they have a variety package, 361 pesos for a whole variety pack of that. And how many of you guys been keeping up with the currency exchange here in Mexico? Just to let you know, you can get that whole pack right there for $20. The whole box for $20. You can take that, flip it in your store, and you'll get a great profit out of that. If you think about that, that's how a lot of these little stores manage their making. These like M&Ms, like all brand M&Ms, Kit Kats, whole big boxes of Kit Kats, chocolate frosted donut, never heard of that. Birthday cake, Kit Kats, never heard of any. A lot of this candy I never heard of. Oreo has their own candy cane. See, that shows you guys. A lot of these candies just look like it's pretty good. It's like a marshmallow chocolate here. These are like Easter egg candy, what we call Easter eggs back in the days. Your off-brand moon pies. Everybody know what those are, and they are hard-headed in here, getting all this stuff dressed here in this candy store. These are some of the favorites too. These candies are pretty expensive in the States for what I've seen. Fruity Pebble bars, never seen any of that. Oh wow, look here, the Reese's. A whole big bag of Reese's, guys. A whole big bag of Reese's for 92 pesos. 92 pesos for a whole bag of Reese's. $5. Guys, a Reese's, let me show you something. A Reese's candy bar costs, one candy bar of Reese's is $5 in the States, damn near. This whole bag ain't the $5 right here. $5 for a whole bag of Reese's, guys. You got your Russell candy, which most of the people use for Valentine's Day right here. These, this is, I mean, for 114 pesos for that, man, that's a hell of a deal right there. $6 for that big box of candy, hard candy. But yeah, like I said, they got just about anything. These straws right here, we used to, these are straws or the liquid? Yeah, that's the straws. We grew up on eating those straws, sucking out those straws, and getting all that Kool-Aid out them straws. And they got some great candy in here. Great candy in here, guys. I'm just gonna browse through here real quick. I'm not gonna take up too much time showing each and every piece of this candy in here, because this candy right now, I'm scared I might gain weight just coming in here looking at it. I do need to get me some tahini. I might go ahead and purchase some of this while I'm in here. What is this one? Tamarino. I have never tried this one. Okay, let me try this. I'm gonna get both of these. I really don't eat salt or any sweets like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna buy these two while I'm here in the store. I'm gonna give them my business. And we have a whole big can of jalapenos, ketchup, just about any clamato. They got the clamato for your parties. They got the whole big jars of mayonnaise, jalapenos, ketchup. They have big bulks of packages, skewers, like you're gonna put some shish kebab on the grill. Big bags are big pecans. Man, pistachios, peanuts, chamoy, just about anything you're looking for, you can find it in here. Chamoy, your chips, just about anything, guys. Look at that. This come in big variety bags. This bag is huge. You having a party, all you need to do is get a couple of bags of these and put out there. The kid, each kid have a separate little bag, or you take them and pour them on the table, or spread them out in your bowls or whatever. Big bags of palomitos, popcorn, Cheetos, man, you name it. This candy store is really a candy store. This is just one of the many candy stores they have here in town, guys. And like I said, you can get variety packages. A lot of the people sell these on the street too. They put some lemon on it, lemon juice, chili and stuff, and they sell these sheets of doodles. They sell them. There's those churros right here. These are churros. These are doodles. Cheetos, churros right here. Buenas tardes. ¿Trabajando duro o jugando?
Trabajando.
Está bien. Yeah, there's they have just about anything that you can think of. These churros right here, I usually get them when they have spice ones or regular, and I usually get jugando, el jugando. Dale. Well, yeah, they have a lot of piñatas, guys. So if you happen to come over here in San Luis and you're looking for one of the candy stores for your party, or your kids' party, your grandkids, your family, anybody that may be having a party, stop by here and check them out, guys. They are over here in town. I'll get the address for you guys before I leave out of here, but you can basically get just about anything for your party here. You can get paper towels, paper plates, cups, spoons, forks, everything over here. One-stop shop for your party, basically. Bulk, candy, appliances, silverware, Tupperware, whatever it may be, spices. This is a one-stop shop store. Not a bad store at all, guys. But if I was having a party or throwing a party, it would be my choice of store to come over and pick up the things that I need from the store. I'm standing around here looking at it. Basically, like I say, I'm a kid in a candy store. Literally, a kid in the candy store. You can get just about anything that you're looking for here in this store. All right. So I'm gonna see if I can get the young lady to tell me their hours of operations, if she would be kind, and we're gonna find out what you guys here. Stay tuned. Voy a comprar esta. Oye, quiero preguntar, ¿qué horas abierto en quiero ser aquí?
Abrimos a las 9 y cerramos a las 7 de la tarde.
Todos los días.
Sí. Los domingos de 9 a 4.
Okay. ¿En qué es la calle, la direccional aquí?
Es Callejón, Obregón y calle Quinta.
Okay, está bien. All right, guys, that concludes my little candy store tour. I hope you guys enjoy. You come out and pick up some candy if you're interested in coming out and getting candy. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and head out. I gotta go exercise now, and I'm watching, seeing all this candy. Until the next one, bye now. Peace. One love.